Hi guys, it's Haley. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe and staying spooky. You may know Lush brought out their Halloween line. I know the Lush Halloween stuff is quite anticipated, so I thought I would do just a video for just the Lush products. I am so excited. As soon as they announced it on Instagram, I just jumped on it. There was problems with the site. It was an ordeal. I got my stuff. I didn't grab everything in the Halloween line. This is just about, I grabbed 4 items, which with tax ended up being around $70. So yeah, it can be expensive, but I think Lush is worth it because it is cruelty-free and organic. Also, I just really wanted to point out that this is Lush Canada, not to be confused with Lush UK, because we do not stan. We got it? All right, so this is a really awkward angle. What do we have here? Woo! So this one is the Bat Art Bath Bomb. So it's a little bath bomb in the shape of a bat. It's upside down. I think it's kind of hard to tell, but he is there. He's very sparkly. Smells very nice. This one is probably my favorite out of all of them, which really surprised me. Its description on the website says turn of the century apothecary, herbaceous and slightly medicinal. It has Sicilian lemon and green mandarin oils with hints of rosemary and sage. The best part for me was all of the colors it made. I was very surprised. I thought it was just going to turn the bath water black with sparkles in it, but this one had a whole bunch of different colors in it. It was beautiful. It looked like a galaxy in the bathtub. I was amazed. It's by far the prettiest bath bomb I've ever had. I would absolutely recommend it. Just be cautious that there is a shit ton of glitter in it. So when you drain the bath, it's just coated with glitter and it's very slippery. I almost slipped getting out of the tub, so be careful. All right, so this bad boy. This is what I'm most excited for, the Lord of Misrule. It's a shower gel. It's my favorite thing Lush has ever brought out. I try and buy some every year. It's my favorite. This one was made by Susan, so thanks, Susan. It's not a very feminine smell, which is fine. I like it. It's more of an earthy smell. It's a bit spicy. It's got black pepper, so I think that's why. And patchouli oil, which is interesting because I don't necessarily like that smell, but it just works. It's really nice. I would highly recommend. Like I said, I buy it every single year. It's absolutely worth it. This one, as soon as I saw it on the website, I knew I needed it. Kind of screamed a little bit. Yeah, buddy. So it is the Screamo Bubble Bar. So she's fallen apart already. I've never had one quite like this before, so I'm intrigued. Smells really nice. This is the one that I was most excited for because it's the ghost face. Out of everything I bought, it probably smelled the best. It has like a sweet scent. I liked when I started putting it under the faucet, it immediately started working. You could see the colors right away. On the website, it says it has a bright red cherry lollipop and sweet cherry tart scent. Its ingredients are ylang ylang oil, almond essential oil, and that's it. I really enjoyed this one. It is quite top heavy, so be careful of that. Mine fell right off the popsicle stick, but it's still usable. Scream is my favorite scary movie, so I had to. I couldn't not get it. Alrighty, so this guy is just a pumpkin bath bomb. He smells kind of like musky. It kind of reminds me of the woods. I don't know why it does. Like camping. I don't know why, but it seems nice. I'm excited. It's got a couple different colors, so I think it would look cool in the bath for all the Instagram pictures, which I'll definitely be posting, so keep an eye on that. on my Instagram. The link for my Instagram is down below for you there. Happy jack-o'-lantern boy. So this one is called Punkin Pumpkin. It has pumpkin powder, cinnamon leaf oil, and lime oil in it. On the website, it says it's supposed to smell like a frothy pumpkin spice latte with a citrus kick. They describe it as citrusy and spicy. When I first opened it, I definitely wouldn't have guessed that. Said that it smelled kind of musky and woodsy. For me, this was my least favorite of the bunch. The colors that it gave off when it was dissolving, kind of disappointing. I did like afterwards when it had completely dissolved that it was the same color as orange flavored Jello. So that, I thought that was kind of fun. I definitely think it would be a good one for the kiddos. But for me, I probably wouldn't get it again. Now there's a couple other things that Lush brought out that I also wanted to try, but like I said, it cost me about $70, so I wanted to try it and not spend all of my money, believe it or not. So if there's anything that you bought that I didn't show here, please give a review down in the comments. I want to know what you got, if you liked it, if you didn't. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this one, guys. I hope you guys have a great and spooky evening. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.